Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto E40, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open notification panel, and if you want to add here some icons or remove some of them, you should click here to this edit icon. Also, if you want to change the positions of the icons, you can also do it. Just to do that, just hold and drag the icon by this way. If you want to remove some icons from here, just hold it and drag it to this down section. And if you want to add these invisible icons, for example, you can add the location, just hold it and drag it to this up section. So as you can see, that's so simple to do. And then just let's go back to save all the changes here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.